painting my room today, but it's not gonna be like a different color from this. It's just gonna be retouched because there's some areas that are like... Hold on, let me just show you. I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's like pink splotches all over here because my room used to be pink in 4th grade, but then when we repainted it, we kind of just like quickly went over it, so there's like a lot of like pink splotches. I just did this side of the wall and it looks really bad because it's still drying, but I still have to do this side and the weird pink spot that was here earlier. I got 2 things from Amazon. I got this LED clock thing, and then I also got this heart mirror, which is supposed to be white, but I'm not sure why it's showing up as pink. But I'm planning on putting it like here and like here maybe, but I'm honestly not completely sure. How are you supposed to hang that up? I just realized that I also have these like little, they're like color sheets, but like I feel like I could use them as like posters on my wall. I got these from like Jeju Island and they're like a bunch of Moomin pictures, but I think I'm gonna hang up all 3 of them on my wall right here. I decided to take off the heading poster that was over here and I just replaced it with like 3 more photos. I got 2 of the same lamps except one of them is small and then the other one is like big, but it's already like 10 p.m. and I'm just planning on just making these right now so I can get it over with and not do it tomorrow. Oh my god, the pollen is so bad in Texas. One lamp is finished. This is actually really easy. I think it took me like a good 6 minutes to do. And that was with like trying to figure out how to work this thing. I hate how my skin is like actually breaking out so bad. It's usually like not like this, but during like March and April it gets really bad because of the pollen allergies. I start like scratching my face. I think I already mentioned this earlier, but it's just like pissing me off. Took me like 20 minutes to figure out because like I kept like not making it straight and like the sizes were not matching, so I wasted so much time just working on this. this teddy bear better, except like the string kind of like detached. So I'm just gonna use this like pin and just pin it on. I just realized that I have like a little sticker box thing, and like I'm pretty sure I have some like white stickers that I can use, so I'm just gonna look through and see if I have anything that fits the pegboard. I have a ton of these like Brandy Melville like baby stickers, but I don't know if it'll fit. Maybe like I'll use this one. I also have these like print things that I got from like this cafe in Korea, like Channy Bear. I think this will fit my pegboard. Oh my god, it's so cute. I want to go back so bad. I think I'm gonna use these two stickers. I got a few things from Temu. The first thing that I got is this basket. This is like in everyone's room, honestly, and I just like hopped on the bandwagon. The next thing that I got is this like pencil holder. It's like clear, so you can't really see it that well on camera, but everyone also has this, so I also got it. And then the last thing is this like tablet phone holder. So cute. Okay, I think this is like my least favorite part about my room because like the colors here are just like too much for me. I feel like it just like nothing is like coordinating. So I'm probably gonna fix this whole area and like hide my albums somewhere else. I forgot to mention, I also got this mouse lamp from Temu. There you go. It usually takes a second for it to light up, but... And then I also got, what do you call it? This storage case from Daiso. This was like $3, so I think that was pretty good. But I'm just gonna put them on my shelf thing right here. I also got this stackable folder thing from IKEA. This is like all over my Pinterest, so I obviously bought it. I keep bandwagoning on things, but I'm planning on putting it like on top of my shelf, so we'll see how it looks. I bought is this white rug from Amazon, and I'm worried that the quality is gonna be weird because I bought it for like $25, and I think that's like really cheap for like, a rug. So I hope it's not super bad quality. Wait, I love the material. It's like a blanket. I think this quality is like really good for $25. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I think I'm gonna put this like under the nightstand on the bed so that it doesn't look as like awkward. You guys enjoyed this room makeover video. It was honestly super time consuming but also super fulfilling and worth it in the end because the outcome came out so nice and I can't stop looking at it. Like I actually like so obsessed right now. But I hope to see you in my next video in my new room, which is super exciting because it's so much prettier now. But bye! I'll see you.